Work done by a perpendicular force. When the displacement of the body is perpendicular at 90 degrees to the direction of force, no work is done. For example, if a man carries a suitcase strictly horizontally, he does no work with respect to gravity because the force of gravity acts vertically downwards and the angle between the displacement of the suitcase and the direction of force becomes 90 degree, such that cos 90 degree becomes 0. Although the man carrying the suitcase horizontally may be doing work against the forces like friction and air resistance. The work done by a force can be positive, negative, or 0. Work done is positive when a force acts in the direction of motion of the body. Positive work done by a force increases the speed of a body. If we kick a football lying on the ground, then the football starts moving. The force of our kick has moved the football. Here we have applied the force in the direction of motion of football, so the work done on the football in this case is positive and it increases the speed of football. Work done is negative when a force acts opposite to the direction of motion of the body. Negative work done by a force decreases the speed of a body. A football moving on the ground slows down gradually and ultimately stops. This is because a force due to friction of ground acts on the football. The force of friction acts in a direction opposite to the direction of motion of football. So in this case, the work done by the force of friction on the football is negative and it decreases the speed of football. Work done is 0 when a force acts at right angles to the direction of motion of the body. 0 work done by a force has no effect on the speed of a body. The satellites, like the moon, move around the Earth in a circular path. In this case, the gravitational force of Earth acts on the satellite at right angles to the direction of motion of satellite. So the work done by the Earth on the satellite moving around it in a circular path is 0. Similarly, the work done by the Sun on planets like the Earth moving around it in circular orbits is 0.